To mount a standard outdoor fixture, designed for flush mounting to a recess box to a 4-inch round bell box on a fence post, firstly, gather the necessary materials. You will need an outdoor fixture designed for flush mounting, a 4-inch round bell box with a knockout, a 1/2-inch knockout reducer, a 1/2-inch conduit lock nut, a length of 1/2-inch rigid conduit, and electrical tape. Then follow these instructions. 1. Remove the back cover of the bell box. 2. Install the 1/2-inch knockout reducer into the knockout. 3. Cut a length of 1/2-inch rigid conduit to bridge the distance between the top of the bell box and the desired mounting height for the fixture. 4. Thread the conduit lock nut onto the conduit. 5. Insert the conduit through the knockout reducer and secure it with the lock nut. 6. Wire the fixture according to the manufacturer's instructions. 7. Mount the fixture to the conduit using the screws or bolts provided. 8. Wrap electrical tape around the base of the fixture where it meets the conduit for added protection. 9. Replace the back cover of the bell box. This method offers several benefits. It allows standard flush-mounted fixtures to be used on fence posts. It provides a secure and weatherproof mounting for the fixture. It maintains the aesthetics of the decorative fixture. For additional considerations, use weatherproof connectors and seal all penetrations to ensure watertight installation. Mount the bell boxes at the desired height for easy access to the fixtures. Consider using a decorative cover for the bell box to enhance the overall appearance. By following these steps, you can successfully mount a flush-mounted outdoor fixture to a bell box on a fence post, creating a durable and visually appealing lighting solution. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electrical components. If you're not comfortable with any part of the installation process, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician. Ensure all work complies with local electrical codes and regulations. Select appropriate conduits and fittings for outdoor use to resist corrosion and weather damage. When wiring the fixture, use properly rated conductors and make secure connections to prevent electrical hazards. Test the installation after completion to verify correct operation and safety. Consider adding a ground wire for additional safety, connecting it to both the bell box and the fixture. Also inspect the installation periodically to identify and address any signs of wear or damage.